cosets. So for task 6, investigate the left and right cosets of the different subgroups: normal subgroup and coset subgroups, isomorphic to Z, and other known group structures. So as you can see here, this is our element. F is equal to ROSYANUE 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. In our improper subgroups, we have here the same. In our left and right cosets, for our left, we have the same elements. R star ROSYANUE 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is equal to ROSYANUE 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So for our O star RO in our element is equal to OSYANUER7685143 for our S star element is equal to SYANUERO34217586. For our Y star, our element is equal to YANUEROS856732124. In our A star element is equal to ANUEROSY21438765. Our N star element is equal to NUEROSY67582341. In U star element is equal to UEROSYAN431265857. In E star element is equal to EROSYANU58764213. One star element is equal to 154628337 RAUSOYEN. Two star element is equal to 283715468 RSUMEY0. In 3 star element is equal to 37154 SURAYN0. 4 star element is equal to 4628371 USAREONY. 5 star element is equal to 5462837 EYNORSUA. S star element is equal to 628371549OYEURAS. 7 star is equal to 715462830 NEYSARU. 8 star element is equal to 8371546 YE0NAUSR. So for our right, as you can see here, we will multiply it to the right. So we can check if the subgroup is normal. The equality of the left and right cosets for all group elements proves that the subgroup is normal in F. Determine the index of the subgroup. G is equal to number of elements of the set G. H is the cardinality of the subgroup H. So as you can see here, 16 over 16 is equal to 1. Therefore, the number of subcoset of improper subgroup is 1. So here is the order of subfactors group. So we will use the proper subgroups for left and right coset. As we can see here. And for our right coset, so we can check if the subgroup is normal. The equality of left and right cosets for all group elements proves that the subgroup is normal in F sub 2. Determine the index of the subgroup. G number of elements in the set G. Cardinality of the subgroup is H. Therefore, the number of coset of proper subgroup is 2. So next is subgroup is normal, the equality of the right and left coset for all group elements prove that the subgroup is normal in F sub 3. So 16 over 4 is equal to 4. Therefore, the number of cosets of proper subgroup is 4. So for our tribal subgroup, our left sub F 4, our right, we will check if the subgroup is normal. So the equality of left and right cosets for all group elements proves that the subgroup is normal in F sub 17. So this is the table. This is our subgroups. So we can see here it is normal. So for F, is it normal? Yes. F sub 2, it is normal. F sub 3, it is normal. And F sub 4, it is normal. So we'll see if it is abelian. So in our first element, it is not abelian. But in our F sub 2 to F sub 4 is abelian. Our element is not cyclic. But F sub 2 to F sub 4 is cyclic. In our order is 16, 8, 4, 1. And isomorphic to Z sub n is Z sub 16, Z sub 8, Z sub 4, and Z sub 1. So that's it for today. Thank you for listening.